A hotspot widget enables you to design interactive image experiences on your web pages. By placing clickable hotspots on an image, you can link them to various actions or content, such as triggering text pop-ups or opening new web pages. This enhances user engagement by providing additional information in a visually appealing and interactive way. If you want to use the Pro widgets of Spider Elements, then these two plugins, Spider Elements Free and Pro, must be active. Find the Hotspot widget in the Spider Elements category and drag it to your preferred section. Click on Choose Image under the Image option. Select your desired image from the media library, then click the Select button to apply it. You can see the hotspot positioned above the image. To add more hotspots, simply click the Add Item button to expand them effortlessly. Customize your spots and add images. Simply click on the Choose Image button and select the image you wish to use. You can explore each spot through immersive pictures with the ability to pan left and right, up and down, and zoom in from various angles for a detailed view. This offers a dynamic experience to fully appreciate the beauty of each location. We've added a few more spots, placing each one in its designated location. Each spot is carefully highlighted to showcase a specific place or product, providing a clear and detailed understanding of its significance. You can easily control the image autoplay feature by turning it on or off. When autoplay is turned off, updated images will be displayed directly. However, when autoplay is enabled, the images will automatically transition from one to the next, creating a smooth and visually appealing effect.